So we have 6 applications that we install over a course of a season. Starting with the early spring application of just a pre-emergent fertilizer that helps prevent broadleaf weeds and things starting to germinate that would germinate earlier in the season. After that, we'll do a nitrogen fertilization as well as a pre-emergent built into that as well, and some broadleaf control just to help prevent any crabgrass, start to work on some of the perennial weeds that might be a little bit tougher. And then in the early or late spring, early summer, and then in the fall, we will do liquid applications for our 3rd and 4th applications. We don't want to do any applications of fertilizer or chemicals during the hottest part of the season. We tend to take a break there, let the lawn rest. That way we don't burn anything. And as the cooler season of the fall starts to develop, we will do an application again of nitrogen, but this also has just the broadleaf control. There's no pre-emergent like the spring. And then after that, we'll do a lime application as the season cools down a little bit further, just to help with the pH of the soil. And you wonder how we figure out whether your pH is okay or if there's any other issues with your lawn. We actually do a soil test. Now, this is a soil test that we do for all of our customers, all of our lawn care customers. What this does is allow us to figure out what is needed or what is missing in your lawn, from the pH to micronutrients. Lime will help with the pH, so if it's low, we can know that we need to add a little bit more. Or if it's in the normal range that it needs to be to grow grass, we know that we're okay with doing a maintenance application of lime. There's also the option to go with an a la carte system. So if you're not looking to do all 6 applications of the program, you can pick and choose to make it work for you and your lawn.